Okay class. Today we shall learn about time and space. So bring out your binders. Hey, Dark Brick Meowser. Are you chewing gum?
No. I'm not chewing gum.
Then what are you chewing? Because I can feel the cold breath from your direction.
Actually, it's dry ice.
Dark Brick Meowser. Enough means enough. That dry ice can give your teeth frostbite and break them badly. That's it. Go to the principal's office right now.
Hello, Dark Brick Meowser. Why are you crying in my office?
Mr. Baldi sent me here because I was chewing dry ice in his class.
Oh my god. Dark Brick Meowser. Chewing dry ice can give your teeth frostbite and break them badly. That's it. You're suspended for 4 weeks. Go home right now.
No. Dark Brick Meowser. We can't believe you were chewing dry ice in class today and got suspended for 4 weeks. You know that dry ice can give your teeth frostbite and break them badly.
That's it. You're grounded for 231 months.
Now go upstairs to your room right now, or else you will be chipped in North Korea.